with nutrients and made up of about 90% water, this summer fruit is both healthy and hydrating. Watermelon gets its bright red color from the antioxidants lycopene and anthocyanins. These are powerful compounds shown to prevent certain types of cancer and promote heart health. In addition to these antioxidants, watermelon is also a great source of vitamin C, which can strengthen your immune system. When choosing a watermelon, you want to look for one that's heavy for its size, with dull rind, not shiny, and no cuts or bruises. The bald spot, which is the spot on one side that results from the watermelon sitting in the field, should be a pale yellow. Before cutting the watermelon, rinse well under cool running water, or wipe with a wet cloth to remove any dirt. First, I'll remove both ends of the watermelon so it will sit flat. Next, I'll run my knife down the sides to remove the rest of the rind. After all the rind is gone, I'll cut the watermelon in half and cut each half into 1-inch thick sheets. I'll make perpendicular cuts to get the cubes I need. I'll be using my cubes in a refreshing watermelon grape fizz drink. I have my blender ready to go, but if you don't have a blender, you can just mash the ripe watermelon with a fork. I'll add my cubed watermelon to the blender and blend until it's mostly juice. Feel free to strain your juice to get a smoother texture. To a cup of ice, I'll add my watermelon juice, grape juice, and seltzer, then it's ready to serve. There are so many ways to enjoy watermelon. Let me know how your family prepares it. If you'd like to learn more about FNEP, please contact your local extension center. Until next time.